Everybody, today we are going to do the quilting on the half square triangle quilt, and I have put the Stich-In-The-Ditch foot on my machine, see, and it has this little metal part that rides right in the ditch so you know where you're going to be sewing. Okay, so when you put your foot down, this will ride right in the ditch, and then you just stitch straight, just like that. Okay? Alright, so let me put the quilt on now, okay? Okay, I've got the quilt on there, and we're literally just going to stitch in the ditch, okay? So when you stitch in the ditch, you want to put either hand on either side and kind of pull, okay? So you can keep it right in that ditch, okay? I'm going to go ahead and turn my speed down. I'm going to turn my stitch length up to 3.5 for quilting, okay? So we're just going to pull a little bit, okay? I really like my stitch in the ditch foot because it really keeps me right in that ditch, right? So I'm going to stop and pivot, and then I'm going to stitch in the ditch down, and then I'm going to stitch in the ditch back that way, okay? I'm going to get the quilt turned around. part right here makes people uncomfortable, I think, because of all the pins and stuff, but just shove it in there, okay? It'll be fun, right? Just get the part that's right under the needle the way it's supposed to be, okay? And everything will work out, I promise you. Okay guys, so we've done the first 3 rows, okay? And you can't even barely tell that it's even there, okay? So on the back, this is what it's looking like, okay? It's just rows, okay? Right? Can you even see? Because I picked this kind of busy background, you can't really see it, okay? And so I'll do all of them, this horizontal and vertical, okay? Just like that. Okay, so we're going to finish up quilting the border on this quilt today, and I'm going to take off my Stich-In-The-Ditch, and I'm going to put on my walking foot, okay? So we're going to remove the entire thing. Take out the screw. So the way this works is when this goes up, when the needle goes up, the little feet go down, okay? So when you put this in, make sure this is above your little screw for your needle, okay? So lift up that, put it above the screw for the needle, and then wrap it around down here, okay? Then we're going to line it up and put the screw back in. Okay, since we changed our thread and we changed our foot, we need to make sure that the sewing machine is sewing good again before we try it out, okay? So and looks like we're good to go. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to use this side of the foot, and I'm just going to go all the way around. So I'm going to do this side of the foot next to the stitching all the way around the quilt, making sure everything is pulled nice, tight, and straight, okay? So right here at the corner, I'm just going to pivot with my foot down. Let's see if that'll do it. And yes, it will. Alright, so that's how I'm going to do it all the way around. Probably, look, 1, 2, 3 times.